Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Beam Staff in Archero 2. To get the Beam Staff in Archero 2, there are several ways you can try your luck. First, it can drop as a reward while you're out on hunts, so simply playing through stages may grant you one as loot. You can also find it in the shop, particularly in the gacha section, or even in the daily shop rotation. Another reliable method is through gear chests, where the beam staff has a chance to appear. Specifically, you can pull it from either the silver chest or the obsidian chest, both offering about a 1.85% chance. While the odds may seem low, the cost is relatively affordable, making it worthwhile to try repeatedly. Aside from these methods, keep an eye out for special events as they sometimes include the beam staff as a bonus reward. And that's how you can get your hands on this powerful weapon in Heart Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.